The MiG-41, Russia's upcoming sixth-generation interceptor, is one of the most mysterious and ambitious fighter jet projects in the world. Designed by Mikoyan to replace the legendary MiG-31 Foxhound, the MiG-41, also known as the PaK DP, is not just an upgrade. It's a complete leap into the future of air combat. Russia's defense industry claims that this aircraft will redefine the concept of speed, stealth, and interception. Reports suggest that the MiG-41 will be capable of reaching speeds exceeding Mach 4.3, which is faster than any operational fighter jet in existence. To put that in perspective, the American F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II operate at speeds around Mach 2. The MiG-41's tremendous velocity means it could reach the edge of space, intercepting hypersonic missiles or enemy satellites before they even pose a threat. Its design concept focuses on ultra-high altitude flight, advanced stealth coding, and next-generation avionics capable of tracking multiple targets simultaneously at extreme distances. The aircraft is rumored to use a hybrid propulsion system that transitions from traditional jet engines to scramjet mode for high-speed flight. This would allow the MiG-41 to cruise at hypersonic speeds, covering enormous distances in minutes. Such speed and range make it ideal for patrolling Russia's massive borders, including the Arctic region, where the MiG-31 has been operating for decades. The new jet will carry advanced long-range missiles such as the R-37M and potentially new air-to-space weapons capable of destroying satellites. The MiG-41 is expected to be equipped with artificial intelligence to assist pilots in combat decision-making. Advanced radar and sensor fusion will allow it to detect stealth aircraft like the F-22 and F-35 long before being detected itself. This fusion of speed, stealth, and smart technology represents the next evolution of Russian air dominance. Some analysts believe that the MiG-41 could even fly without a pilot in future variants, transitioning into a fully autonomous interceptor drone. This aligns with Russia's plan to integrate unmanned systems into its air defense network. The aircraft's development has faced delays due to cost and complexity, but Russian officials maintain that the MiG-41 will enter production by the early 2030s. In terms of design, concept images suggest a sharp angular fuselage with a blended wing body configuration. Its radar-absorbing materials and low infrared signature are aimed at making it nearly invisible to enemy radars. The cockpit will likely include a glass canopy and an advanced helmet-mounted display for the pilot. If successful, the MiG-41 will be a symbol of Russia's technological might, capable of outrunning, outclimbing, and outsmarting any opponent. While much of its technology remains classified, one thing is clear. The MiG-41 is designed to ensure that Russia remains a step ahead in aerial warfare. The West is watching closely, as such a fighter could change the balance of power in the skies. The US and China are both working on next-generation jets, but none are publicly confirmed to match the MiG-41's rumored Mach 4 capability. Whether this aircraft becomes a real production fighter or remains a secret prototype, it continues to fuel the imagination of aviation enthusiasts worldwide. The MiG-41 isn't just another fighter jet, it's a glimpse into the future of speed and defense. From the cold skies of the Arctic to the edge of space, this interceptor could dominate the next era of aerial combat.